Okay guys, welcome back. Carbonite crew here, and yeah, you read the title right. My friend Nasp has sent me another package, and this time it's from Colombia. He recently traveled there, and I'm currently waiting for him to hurry up and edit and post the video because I would love to see the vlog. But no, he got me something from Colombia. Got my razor blade. We're gonna open it up and show you. I'll let you guys take a look. So, without getting into it, I'd like to say that Nasp has been a very good friend, and just like with the first video, he's been all over the world, has been traveling, and he was just lucky enough to grab a couple items at a gift shop in Colombia and ship them up here to upstate New York. And you know, I don't go out and travel much. I do travel around, but I don't travel, you know, to different countries. And you know, I got the vlogging idea from him, and well, this is more like a thank you, dude. And let's see what you got, man. All right, this is it. It arrived today. Okay, I've not looked inside yet. Still got to open up these flaps here. Dude, I'm like, oh. What's this? Hey, dude. This isn't for you. This guy's curious. It's not for you, man. It's a gift from my bro. So this here's the hat, which we'll take a look at in a second. Let's take a look at the shirt, man. Hang on just a second. All right, dude, it fits. Look at that. So whenever you come up here, man, I'll wear this for real. It fits perfectly, man, like a glove. It's not too tight, you know. Maybe it's not even too shaggy, really. It's you know, it's comfy. It's comfy. I love it. I love it, dude. So this is the hat. Oh my goodness, man. Dude, this is awesome. Try it on. Oh, cool. Comes with its own little... I have no idea what this is. I actually don't know what to do with that. Okay, it's a little tight. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, look. So this is what my friend brought me, all the way from Colombia. Look at that, Colombia. I love the design, man. I love the design. So, whenever you come up here, man, bring your Panama hat. I'll wear this, and you know, vlog city, man. We'll vlog everything up here. So. The next time you're up here, or, you know, well, actually, it'll be the first time that you'll ever be up here. But whenever you get up here, man, this is what I'm going to wear. You wear your shirt and stuff, and then we'll go out and vlog. And, you know, this is sick, man. This is sick. You know, 10 out of 10, for real, man. Actually, you know what? 100 out of 10, man. This is awesome. Too bad I can't take this to work with me, but, you know, on days that I have off, I'm definitely going to wear this. And this hat is a keeper, man. This hat's not going to leave my sight, for real, man. I'll put it in a safe spot. Oh, it smells nice. It smells clean. It smells nice. So there you guys have it. Nasp, thank you, dude. Again, this shirt fits. This shirt fits. This shirt is very comfy. I love it. I love it, man. So yeah. Thank you, dude. Thank you. I'll see you guys later.